Moving from West Jordan to St. George? It's an in-state move, but with several hours of highway between the two cities, planning ahead can make the entire relocation feel much more manageable. For a typical two-bedroom home, a West Jordan to St. George move may cost around $1,200 to $2,200. Your final estimate will depend on the shipment's weight, your moving date, and the services you need. Larger homes require more truck space, labor, and loading time. Stairs, long walks to the truck, packing assistance, bulky furniture, and storage can also increase the total cost. This route covers roughly 300 miles, so even a well-organized move can take most of the day. Many deliveries are completed the same day or the following day, depending on timing and shipment size. Keep medications, important documents, chargers, water, and a change of clothes with you. You may arrive before the moving truck, especially if the crew must follow regulated driving hours. St. George can be significantly warmer than West Jordan. Schedule heavy loading carefully, keep temperature-sensitive belongings separate, and make sure water is available during unloading. Ask each mover whether the estimate includes labor, mileage, fuel, furniture protection, equipment, and unloading. A detailed quote makes it easier to compare real value, not just the lowest starting price. Moving from West Jordan to St. George? Visit 3movers.com to compare moving options, request a free estimate, and plan your Utah relocation with confidence.